sides of town they do.
Hey YouTube world, it's your girl Myra and I'm back with another video. Before I get this video started, can you please hit that subscribe button, hit the bell to be notified when I upload video. How you guys doing out there? I know it's been a while since I posted. I'm so sorry. You know, having a job and try to balance YouTube it's a bit much, but I'm trying to put out videos as much as I can. So guys, please bear with me and hold your girl down. So on today's look, we're gonna do a Christmas makeup look. I'm thinking of going with some cranberry colors, some red, maybe some green, and also I'm gonna include some glitter with this look. So if you guys want to continue, if you guys want to see how I create this Christmas look, keep on watching. this complete this look. I hope you guys liked it, and I hope you guys follow through. The last thing I did to complete this look, I added one of the Stella's glitter to my inner corner and on the side of my liner. So let me know what you guys think about this look. This is a Christmas holiday look. Now you could use this, you could use this look for going out, I don't know, Christmas party. You could use this for New Year's. It's cute, it's sexy. I'm feeling the vibes, I'm feeling the looks. You guys like this wig? Because I'm feeling it. It's so pretty. Well, yeah, guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your mama, with your daddy, with your cousin, with your whole family. Let them know what your girl's doing over here in this channel, because your girl's lit. Is lit. It is lit. Yes. Till next time, guys.